Hi guys, welcome to ShareVision channel. Today I am going to explain about the chart pattern analysis as well as price action trading chart patterns. So let's go now one by one we will discuss. Before that, if you are a newcomer, please subscribe our channel and press the like button. Please watch the video. Part 1 is available in our description link. This is part 2. Please watch this video till the end. Then only you can get a knowledge and understand. Let's go now. So type of chart pattern, there are many type of chart pattern available. I am taking here some important kind of chart patterns. So there are two categories, bullish trend and bearish trend. Bullish trend already I have been discussed in a part 1. Now bearish trend we are going to discuss about the part 2. So descending triangle pattern, rising wedge pattern, symmetric triangle pattern, bearish pennant, head and shoulder, double top, bottom flat, inverse cup and handle, and rectangle bearish pattern. So let's go one by one. We will check these chart patterns. See guys, here the price and volume will be started from here and make a some highs, after that some lows and make some high and lows, like this happening. So we have to draw the trend line top to bottom. So one trend line will be connecting to all highs, another trend line will be connecting to all lows. It forms as a some triangle which is called as a descending triangle. So some particular period it will be take the breakout. So that breakout onwards, second candle onwards, we can take a trade, then we can get a good profit. This is called a descending triangle pattern. So second, next. So same, the price and volume will be fall from high to one make a some low, and again it will be make a some high, again low. It will make a some zigzag, zigzag and goes to some upward direction. So it makes us we have to draw the trend line. All highs will be connecting to top trend line. All lows will be connecting to another one trend line. It makes us a some wedge pattern. So this is called a rising wedge pattern. Some particular period, this breakout will be happen at top level. This level onwards, we can enter at this level, take a trade, then get a good profit. Third, so the price and volume will be fall from high to low, then make a some high and low, make a some high. It make a some triangle. The all the highs will be connected to one triangle, one trend line. Bottom as well as bottom one trend line will be connected to bottom all the lows. It will make a some symmetric. So symmetric triangle will be um, made it. So after that particular point, it will be take a some breakout. That particular breakout, after that we can take a some trade, then we can get a good profit. This is called a symmetric triangle. Fourth, price and volume will be started from top to bottom, make a some highs and lows. After that it will be traveling in a some sideways, so small sideways. So that that particular area we can draw a some flag, small flag, that called as a pennant. This pennant, some particular point take a some breakout. That breakout onwards we can take a trade, then we can get a good profit. This is called bearish pennant. Next, price and volume will be some zigzag level happening. Make a some highs and lows, highs and lows, highs and lows. It will be touch the some particular neckline, uh, neckline or support line. This level will be cannot be able to break out. The particular point it will be breakout. After that we can take a trade, then we can get a good profit. So this particular area called a left shoulder and right shoulder and head. So this is called as a head and shoulder pattern. Whenever this head and shoulder pattern will come, the bearish trend should be started. We have to understand. So next, same like price and volume will be bottom to top, make a some highs, and it will be down. It will make a some support line, and then it will be go up and make a some resistance line and make a down, and then it make a some support line. Then it will be give the breakout. So this kind of will be happen double top. It is called a double top, first peak and second peak. It is called a double top. Whenever this whenever we can find out this uh, double top chart pattern, then we can understand that it will be going to fall. So after that we can take a trade. Whenever the breakout will come, that time also we can take a trade, then get a good profit. So next is bearish flag. Same like a bullish flag, it will be the price and volume will be started from top to bottom. It will make a some bearish flag at bottom level. Then after that, the particular point area, the breakout will be happen at bearish flag location. So that time onwards we can enter at second candles, we can get a good profit. So whenever it will be happen, we can understand this maybe chance to fall down. So you can take a chance of this chart patterns. Next one is inverse cup and handle. So see here, price and volume will be goes up and down. It will make a some cup shape and handle, cup and handle. Same, it will be inverse cup and handle. We can able to say inverse cup and handle. So the breakout will be happen only at a handle part. So when this kind of chart will be comes, you can understand the market will be going to down. So you can take a trade at this point, breakout point, then get a good profit. This is called a inverse cup and handle. Last one, the resistance, support and resistance will be, the price will be moving in a some particular triangle, particular rectangle portion. So this is called a range bound market or sideways market. It will be happen in a some particular time period. After that it will break out at bottom level. This bottom level, after that we can enter at breakout level. After that we can enter, then get a good profit. Whenever this kind of symptoms will come, we can understand the market going to be down. So this is called a rectangle chart pattern or support and resistance chart pattern. We can call a support and resistance chart pattern also. So I think this kind of 9 chart pattern you can keep in mind, then you can get a great knowledge and make a successful trader. I hope you guys understand about the this video about the chart pattern analysis, and I think useful for you everyone. And please subscribe our channel and press the like button. I will be make a same kind of videos will be in future. Thank you for watching.